Water and trapped moisture under the surface are the main reasons potholes worsen rapidly. When water reaches the gravel base, it undermines support and, combined with repeated traffic, causes surface material to break away. Freeze and thaw cycles magnify any voids because water expands when it freezes and then contracts when it thaws, opening cracks and loosening particles so each passing vehicle removes more material. Heavy traffic concentrates loads on already weakened spots, turning small defects into full-blown holes, so managing loading patterns and limiting heavy vehicle routes can slow progression. Sunlight and heat also matter because ultraviolet radiation and thermal cycling dry and embrittle binders in asphalt, making them crack more easily. Regular sealant applications and surface rejuvenators restore flexibility and extend life. Poor initial construction, such as inadequate compaction, incorrect base thickness, or improper material selection, creates inherent weakness that allows water to penetrate and stresses to concentrate, so insist on proper base preparation and compaction testing during installation. For repairs, remove all loose material, dry the area as much as possible, apply a tack coat to improve bond, and compact patch material in layers to restore structural integrity rather than just filling the void. Common mistakes are patching without addressing the underlying base so the new material fails quickly, which we avoid by excavating to sound material and rebuilding the base. Using cold patching as a permanent fix when it is meant only for temporary emergency repairs. So choose hot mix or properly compacted semi-permanent methods for lasting results. And neglecting drainage, which allows water to persist under patches. So regrade surrounding surfaces, clear nearby drains, and consider edge seals to keep water out. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like pothole repair and maintenance, helping us find local contractors and letting contractors find work opportunities in our service areas. We also host a discussion community where we share practical repair tips, ask questions, and learn from others who have faced similar pavement problems.